I think one of the best center I've seen recently. And Father me told the men of you, Lord, to play, to sing, to work in communication here, right? Therefore, Father Macri, congratulations to the province in the history of the Catholic Church that promote art more than anyone else. Think about this, Father. Nobody has promoted art, also theater, painting, poetry. So, if Dom Bosco was an artist, an author, we are co-authors of communication. Tonight, I could call you, named you, the co-authors of communication, of the Salesian Order. Congratulations, Father Daniel. We write a book of poetry. Is communication. Singing, dancing. You are. If Dom Bosco were here today, looking at you, he certainly would say, I love you. Thank you for carrying out my mission. Thank you for believing in great values as unity, respect, study, hard work. You are co-authors of communication. Second thought, I've been visiting many places, singing. The last meeting I had with children, I sing 4 songs for them. And tonight I'm not going to sing, Father. My voice is not for singing tonight. But what I want to tell you, India, the first time I come here, you have a strong nation, variety of cultures. People love technology, mathematics, sports. I was seeing people play basketball. Whatever you do, you are always get success in whatever you do. Congratulations. Walking together in unity, in the diversity. Today, communication has to do with understanding diversity is a reality. You go to Europe, Latin America, whatever, diversity. Diverse religions, diverse, ways of think of life, and so on, so on. And Pope Francis and the Hector Major have encouraged us to use communication to promote unity in the diversity, respect for all cultures and people, fostering justice and peace. We have a war in the heart of Europe going on now, Russia and Ukraine. Peace and promote solidarity and ecology. Therefore, my dear students, dear communicators, we are all called to be co-authors of communication, courageously, never be afraid to stand up for the great values that help us to build a new society. I want to thank you now, you all, for this opportunity. And I can tell you, I go back, Father, happy to see what happened here tonight. I think one of the best center I've seen recently. And Father me told the men of you, Lord, to play, to sing, to work in communication here, right? Therefore, Father Macri, congratulations to the province for promote communication and you being together co-authors of communication. And I'd like to finish, say to you that when Dom Bosco was dying, his last minutes, Old Salija came to greet him. And he said to them, Mary, the mother of Jesus, loved us so much. Let us ask Mary, the mother of Jesus. She was a communicator, that she protects us. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.